Welcome to the Full Scholarships live video series, and we are going to discuss about the government of Flanders Belgium Mastermind scholarships. These scholarships are open right now, and the deadline is from the 1st of February to the 6th of April 2023, and it is almost same each year. So do apply for this Belgium Mastermind scholarships for the international students 2023 session, and it's open, so do apply for that, and we will show you the full process for this. Before that, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for scholarships, and the link for this scholarships for Belgium is given in the YouTube video description. Check out the link, and you can check out the video description link, and the link is given there, and click on the apply link, or you can directly go to the Instagram page full scholarships, and the link is also given in Instagram bio, or you can scan the QR code on the posts and it will take you to the same scholarship that you are looking for. Or you can directly visit the website fullscholarships.net or cashmerelook.com, and you will be redirected our website here. Once you reach there, you can check out the brief explanation about this scholarship. So the Flemish Ministry of Education grants the scholarship to the excellent students from all over the globe for master's program in Flanders and Brussels. So the program goal is to promote Flanders and Brussels as the leading study locations for the international students, and this has in the past become the hotspots for the international student, and there are a lot of the students who had traveled to this location and have pursued their education over there. So the top universities that are participating under this are the universities starting with the KU Leuven University, and it's also known as the Leuven University, and then the Antwerp University and the Ghent University, then the Hazelt University and the Vrij University. So these are the top five institutions there, and you can go there, and then you can go for the applied sciences and arts subjects, and they are listed here, and you can check out the top courses, and the subjects are also around the top subjects from the eligible master degree program are also there, and you can go and participate in the Flemish institutions there. Then you have the target group, and the target group comprises of the international students, and you can also be from any of the Japan, Mexico, the Palestine, and the United States. And then the scholarship amount and the duration varies as the course and the host institution, and it is up to the 9,600 euros scholarship, as well as the tuition price remission for the one academic year, and the mastermind scholarship holders just pay any enrolling fee that is in the starting, and rest all will be covered by the host institution and the government. Then the mobility lasts around 1 year, and the master's program are around 2 years, and there are different scholarships that you can also apply for the Europe, like Erasmus and Erasmus Plus or Erasmus. Then you can also apply for these scholarships. So right now we are talking about this mastermind scholarship that are provided by the Flanders government and in the Belgium. The eligibility is mentioned here, and you should have the required eligibility criteria here, and that's listed here, so do check out that. After you have some instructions, you need to just submit the application for the admission to the host institution or the university, and you will be automatically considered for the scholarship, and you have to inform the host institution that I had submitted my application under the any of the course, and now I request you to just consider me for the this mastermind scholarship. So after that, they will send you the mail with the details confirming your application ID, and you will be selected for this, and then it depends on your luck, so if you get selected for this scholarship, the process is simple, and just click on this apply button at the end so that you can apply. So now once you click on that, you can check Belgium where great minds grow, and this is study in Flanders government website, and here is the mastermind scholarships. So call for the academic year 2023 and 2024 is open right now, and the general information about the scholarship, details about the scholarship programs and payment of the scholarship, and all details are here, so find if you are eligible also. Then in order to simply know more about this scholarship, so click on this how to apply button here. So once you click on that how to apply button, you can check the how to apply page. So there are around 6 steps you need to complete. First, you have to just check the eligibility of the course and the institution that you are applying to. Then you have to submit the application to the host institution, and then host institution pre-selects the eligible applications, and the host institution starts the procedure for the mastermind scholarship by creating the application file on the mobility online application tool. So all you need to do is just one step, that is submit your application to the host institution or the university that you are applying for, and rest will be done by the institution itself. So simply click on this, learn more about the host institution so that you can know more. So click on this button at the end, and once you click on that, you can check the host institutions and their deadlines. So starting with the universities, though, you can check the KU11 university. So February 1st is the deadline. Then the University Antwerp is there, and the March 1st is the deadline. Again, the Ghent University is there, and the April 6th is the 2023 is the deadline, and it will be continued. Then the Hazel University is there, and March 15 is the deadline, and the Ridge University is there, and the deadline is February 25th. Similarly, the universities of applied science and arts that are participating, like Mastermind Academy, so you have the deadlines there, and almost the April and March is the deadline for almost all the institutions there. Suppose you have chosen for the KU11, and this is one of the top institutions in the Belgium, and suppose you go for this university, so click on this more information. Simply you can go for any university that you prefer. I prefer the KU11, and now I click on the more information here. So once I click on that more information, it will take you directly to the KU11 official website, and there will be the mastermind scholarship web page, and this is the dedicated web page for the university, and it is officially hosted by the university, and all details about that university and the scholarship will be listed on the official websites here. So do cross check the information on Google before applying to any of the scholarships. Now you can check there are different steps, and the application procedure is in the third step. So simply click on this application procedure. So step 1 is apply for the master's program and include the master's mind annexure, and then study. In the second step, you have to register for the mastermind candidacy online. So simply click on this, read more in the application procedure here, and once you do that, you can check mastermind application procedure is there. First step is the you need to submit a complete application file here. So it's an online application file before the 1st of the February 2023 for this university, and others they have the March and the April as well. So then you have the second step, and you have to use the online registration tool. So let's start with the first, complete the application file here. So click on this link in the step first here. Once you click on that, you can check the application for the instruction page for the bachelor, master's and postgraduate program, and the credit contracts are there. So when to apply, the details are here, and the important notes are also listed here. So simply first step is there to fill the online application, then you have to follow obviously for the results, and third you have to do the registration once you get acceptance. So submit your online application through the login to the web app. So click on this login to the web app in the button here. So click on this, and once you click on that, you can check welcome to the KU11 association. Please provide your private email and address, or the username. So should you have not the account, we will create one using this email address. So simply type the email address and then click on the continue button here, and wait for a few seconds. So now if you don't have the password, you will receive in the email. If you have already received the password in the email, just use the same email here and the same password, and then simply click on the login. So this password will be sent to your email. If it doesn't arrive, so link will be there. So you have to sign up from the link and just create a new account. So there is some error right now. So let me refresh the page. Okay, so let me do the page once more. So here is the page, and here is the application page. Now you can check I have been successfully logged in, and now application ID is created. And so first you have to complete the personal data. So select the personal data. If you are here for the first time, so you might have to update the personal data here. So starting with the name, first name, last name, private email, date of birth, country, place of birth, your gender, and the mother tongue. So select the English. Then nationality, choose as per the passport, Indian, Asian, any of the country that you had. Then do you have Belgium permit? So select no. Or you are residing in the Belgium? So no, we are not. And then click on save information. After that, so let me log out. Let me take this screen zoom out a little. So click on save here, and then you can check personal data is there. Then after that, click on the address, and enter the address and do that information, then click on save. So let me move to the next, and the next is the curriculum. And for that, this is very important. So current or the most recent secondary high school that you had previously, so completed. Suppose if you are applying for bachelor, so you should have completed your highest 10th, 12th, and the or the pre-engineering or the other course that you had, associate degree, and then you have to submit that. Then the year of graduation, name of the school, name of the degree, and language. So select the language as English, and then final grades that you had. And then if you have any other information, you can submit that, and then click on the save and move to the next. And next is the language, and add the language that you speak or add. So to add, you just click on the side and choose the language. Suppose I will go with the English, so choose from the list, select the English. So speaking, so just select native speaker. Then in the writing as native speaker, and the reading native speaker, listening as good as you are. So then click on save, and then you can check the complete is there. So similarly, like the green complete should be there. And now you can check if you don't have any applications here, so you have to click on this plus sign to add application simply. So to add application, you have to select the program that you wish. Suppose you wish to go for the bachelor's program in English or the other degree courses that you wish. Suppose you go with the bachelor's program, so suppose I'll go with the bachelor's program in English. And then academic year, so I'll go with the 2023 2024 and the program. So for that, you have to search the programs here, so you can check different courses are there. Suppose I will go with this bachelor of engineering technology program for students started in 2020, okay, and bachelor of engineering technology 2+2 modules. So you can check any of the courses that you are the eligible one. And then suppose I will go with this, the bachelor of business engineering at Brussels, and suppose I will go with this, then it will be added. Then where did you heard about this? So suppose you go advertisement, then you have to save this information. So click on save. So let me zoom in the screen, so you can check the applications have been added. Suppose I had previously submitted master's application, here I have created that. Now you can check business for the bachelor's is added. So suppose I'll go with the bachelor's, click on this pen sign here, and then you have to, like I had completed my choice of study, then you have to upload the documents. So click on the documents tab here and wait for the documents tab to appear so that you can upload the documents there, starting the transcript, passport, photographs, any mark sheets you had, and you have to submit that here. So the page might take some time to load and reflect on the screen, so wait for the few seconds. So here you see the application documents that are required, starting with the photograph, and then the diploma, the transcripts that you had. If you're applying for masters, just upload the bachelor's and the high school diplomas and transcripts. If you're applying for bachelor's, just submit the high school transcripts, then the passport and the motivation letter. So if you want us to write your motivation letter, we will provide you that, and we can provide you that motivation letter, and we will write it for you particularly, and that too the customized one. Then the CV, if you don't have CV, if you don't have the current or the updated CV, just ask us so that we can create one for you, and we will provide the professional CV that will be accepted globally. Then a grading table, and if you have like the CGPA or SGPA system in your country, or the credits in the 4.0 scale or the 10.0 scale or 5.0 scale, ask us so that we can convert that table as well. We will provide you the table and we will convert the data for you. Then if you have the mathematics proficiency test, if you are applying for mathematics subjects, so then you can submit that, it's optional for others. And then English proficiency, so no IELTS is required, no TOEFL is required, just submit the English proficiency certificate from your previous institution stating that you had completed the education in the previous English language. So if you want us to give you the proof of the English language, if you want this certificate, you can ask us, we will write it for you, and then you have to get it signed and stamped by the previous institution. And if you don't want to get the stamp, or if you don't have the ability to get the stamp from the institution, or if you are relocated to another location, then we will provide another format 2, and you can submit that, and you can easily submit that here. Then you have the proof of the payment, and if there is any fees required, so you can submit that, it's optional as well. So now click on save information and upload all these documents, and then your application status is created but not submitted. So once you have all the tabs here, so now click on this I agree to the terms and conditions, and then so if there is any payment of application, so click on this, so you can check all applicants need to pay the application processing fee, and you can click on this online payment. And once you do that, you can go to the this update section, and once there is complete on the three tabs, if you need the this letter for the fee waiver, you can ask us. We will send you the this letter so that you can send the others, so that you can ask the university for the waiver, and we will provide you this letter. If you need motivation letter, if you need English proficiency certificate, if you need letter of intent, anything you need, a research proposal even, we can provide you that as well, and we will write it for you. And there are minimal charges we had kept, and you can ask us, or Instagram, here is the Instagram page, you can ask us there, we will provide you that. And then you can check that the application is there, and now click on this submit button. Your application should be submitted once all the details are clear, and like I had incomplete details, so just complete these details and your application will be submitted automatically. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and similarly you can go with the other universities, like you can go with this. So let me show you that host institutions. So now as we had the KU11 process, then suppose you go with this hand to university, so you can click on the more information, and similarly it will take you to this Ghent University official website page, and you can check out the procedure there and apply online here and do the same process, as it is as easy as it seems. So if you need grade conversions, motivation letters, anything you need, just we will provide you that, and there are minimal charges for that. Just ask us on the Instagram page here, and our team is there to support you and assist you. Hope you enjoyed this session. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.